Hello and welcome to this first overview lecture in this course on how to become a software developer. So in this section, we will talk to you about how can you become a successful software developer. And in this particular lecture, we will talk to you about what are the few things that you can do, what are the things that you need to do to become a successful software developer. So any thoughts on what do you think? How to become a successful software developer? Any thoughts? Right. So the first thing you need to do is to set your goals. And in that setting of goals, you need to do few things. First, you define your specific career goals. What is it that you want to achieve from your career in your life? Then what you need to do is to determine which programming languages and technology you want to work with and whether you want to specialize, where do you want to specialize, whether you want to specialize in web development, mobile app development, game development, or anything else. So three things in setting your goals. Broadly, what is your career goals? What do you want to achieve out of a career in technology and software development in your life? What are the programming languages and technology you want to choose to work with? And what are the areas that you want to specialize in the software development? Then you start by learning the fundamentals of the programming. Once your goal is clear, career goals, and you figured out what are the technologies and languages, you start by learning the fundamentals of programming because it's all about programming, right? And there you can choose from languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, C++ to begin with. And there are many online resources, courses, and books to help you get started. And you will have to go to these online resources to cover and learn these fundamentals. Enroll into online courses and tutorials which provide structured learning path. Websites like uh, Coursera, EDX, Udemy itself, and Code Academy offer courses on a wide range of programming topics. And we are showing you here two of the good uh, uh, the courses that can teach you the technical part of becoming a software development or Udemy itself. The key to becoming a proficient developer is to practice because nothing happens without the practice, especially in software development. You need to work on coding projects, small or large, and basically there you apply what you have learned and gain practical experience. So practical experience is critical piece in becoming a successful software developer. There are many sites like LeetCode, HackerRank, and GitHub where which for to get great places. These are the great places to practice coding and collaborate with others. So get on to these sites and any other that you feel good with, comfortable, and start practicing coding. Learn to use version control systems like Git. So there is this Git version control system and which is useful and essential for you for collaboration and managing code repositories. Because later on in life, when you become a software developer, you would work with teams and you would use this version control system and you will collaborate and manage code repositories. So might as well get used to them right now, right? Create a portfolio. Since you want to become a successful software developer, so create a portfolio of your projects on platforms like GitHub. GitHub is again a good place to do the projects and build a portfolio of your projects as you see here on your screen. Now, this will serve as a showcase for your skills and it can impress your potential employer. Instead of telling them what you've done, you can show them what you have done by asking them to taking a look at your GitHub portfolio. Specialize is important. Specialization is important. Considering specializing in a specific area. You have many areas to choose and this will keep coming up as we keep going in life further in time. You could become a front-end software developer. You can choose to become a back-end developer. You can do both. You can become a full stack developer. Also you can then look at mobile app development as an area to specialize, or you can get into very broader area of data science. Now, this specialization will make you more attractive to certain job opportunities. So, specialization is important for you to become a successful software developer. So, having looked at few things that you can do to become a software developer, what do we do next? We have more things to tell you, and we will cover that in the next lecture. So, stay tuned and watch our next lecture to know what are the other things that you need to do to become a software developer. So, thank you so much for watching this first lecture, overview lecture on how to become a software developer. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me, ask me a question if which I can answer for you. And if you need to refer to anything that I have talked back, please talk here. Please download the PDF file and take a good look at the file.